There is a unique rule in xiangqi. The two kings may not face each other directly. This rule empowers the king with two aggressive roles, especially in endgames. 1. It supports another piece to get near the opponent king. As in this diagram, red can play horse 4 up 5. And 2, it serves as the interception force in checkmating the opponent king. For example, in this diagram, red plays chariot 2 to 4 checkmate because the black king cannot move to the center. I name these checkmate patterns the royal checkmate. Here are more examples. In this diagram, check, and black could not get the king out of check because the advisor is pinned down by the red king. Now look at this position. Check. 2 actions in 1 move. It provides the carriage for his cannon and exposes the king to control the entire center file. So the black king is checkmate. On some rare occasions, the royal checkmate can be given by a pawn or a horse, as in this diagram. Red wins with either pawn 2 to 3 or horse 1 up 2. Here are 5 simple endgames on the theme of royal checkmate. See if you can mentally calculate red's winning moves. Each diagram will appear for about 10 seconds. Solutions at the end of this tutorial. Answer to game 1. Red wins in 2 steps. Check, checkmate. In the starting position, chariot 2 up 6 check would be a fatal mistake because black could counter with chariot 6 now 7 discover check and wins the chariot. Game 2. Check. Sacrifice the pawn so as to decoy the king to a more vulnerable position. Follows with royal checkmate. Game 3. Check. Check. The first 2 checking are necessary. It gains the tempo for the red chariot to seal off black's second rank. Now, if black captures the pawn with his chariot, then R9 up 1 check and wins the black chariot. Game 4. Check. Check. As you can see, sacrificing a cannon and then a chariot, so as to arrive at this typical royal checkmate with a single chariot. In the last game, red begins with a decoying tactic, satisfying the chariot, and then checkmate. The last two steps, of the attacking process is described as the returning the Buddha to the temple, and it completes in royal checkmate. That's all, folks. Bye bye.